Well, hello, I'm in the studio now. I have 2 newborn sessions today. They have picked out this on my website that I really like, exactly these materials. So there's like a wooden bowl underneath, one of my favorite bowls. Then a little like a basket stuffer, like a flocati in like a camel color, and then just a wrap, and then this little blanket. This is for the family photos, and this is for, like, it's just another decor that we can use. Sometimes I use this for sibling shots as well. They like off-white for backdrop, with some like dusty pink and dusty green. So for the dusty green we can go to this setup, and for now I'm just going to put like an off-white background on. And then we can use some dusty pink wraps. Yeah, I still really like this one, but I think what they picked out was more off-white, and this is more like light yellow. I don't know. So I might throw on, they've picked out this one as an example, so I might just use exactly this backdrop so they really know what they're getting. They picked out this one as an example as well. I think it's going to be this one for now. So this is what I picked out for now. Some headbands, some wraps, little knitted blankets to keep her warm while I'm undressing her. Always keeping the diaper on. This is the backdrop for now. And well, the heater is gonna be here. Baby shusher is gonna be there. And then my softbox is gonna be somewhere there.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
video today for 2 newborn sessions, so I thought I would share my light setup during a newborn session. Here you can see I've set up the beanbag. The parents like salmon and off-white as base colors to start with. So I have 2 backdrops. First I'm gonna do the structured one with the flowers and then the off-white one. I've got some wraps here. I'm gonna get some headbands later and more wraps. But anyway, this is what you all are curious about. So you can see that's a Westcott 50-inch softbox, and inside I will put a trigger, and on top of the trigger I put my Speedlight facing inwards. Just lock it on there, and then the other Speedlight will go on top of my camera. So there won't be a Speedlight on my camera. No light is coming from my camera, just the light coming from the softbox, and it's like diffused, filtered. It's very soft. I will put it on 1/64 or 1/32 depending on the amount of daylight I have coming in. There's a whole big window right here on that side of the studio, so I have daylight in combination with studio light. Usually I have my shutter speed 200, aperture 3.2 or 3.5, and then my ISO will be 500 or 640 depending on all other circumstances like the color of the backdrop, baby skin tone, daylight coming in. So I'm just going to continue setup and maybe show you a little bit of me taking the photos. So here you see the Speedlight. It's going to be angled like this, kind of, maybe a little bit closer towards the beanbag. And I move it around, and that's what I like about using Speedlights. I can just move around my light to see how I like the shadows, how I like the light to fall. Here are the windows. And here's my setup. shoot with the girl went really well. Her big sister was in some photos as well, and we took some family photos, and I filmed a little bit when she was on the beanbag and when we moved to the green wooden floor, so you can see how I moved my light, and it's so easy because it's a Speedlight, it's not connected to anything. So now I am waiting for the little newborn boy to come in. I have set up an off-white knitted background, and underneath is an off-white smooth background, because the parents, they like off-white and light and pure photos with a little bit of light blue. So I'm just gonna get some wraps. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the comments. You'll see me in my next video.